You've probably seen floors like this all over social media. Glossy, seamless, and almost liquid-like. But what exactly is an epoxy floor, and why has it suddenly become so popular? An epoxy floor is a surface created by combining resin and hardener, which chemically reacts to form a strong, durable plastic coating. Once applied, it creates a seamless, waterproof, and highly resistant floor. Originally, epoxy flooring was mainly used in industrial spaces, warehouses, and garages because of its strength and chemical resistance. Over the last decade, epoxy flooring moved from factories into homes, offices, and luxury interiors. Minimalist and industrial interior design trends played a huge role. People started looking for clean, seamless surfaces that feel modern and high-end. Social media amplified this trend. Epoxy floors are visually satisfying, dramatic, and perfect for before and after transformations. One of the biggest advantages of epoxy flooring is durability. These floors can last for years with minimal maintenance. They are also waterproof and easy to clean, making them ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, and commercial spaces. Design flexibility is another huge benefit. Epoxy floors can be customized with colors, metallic effects, and marble-like patterns. However, epoxy flooring isn't perfect, and it's important to talk about the downsides. Installation requires professional experience. A poor application can lead to bubbles, cracks, or uneven surfaces. Repairs can also be difficult. Unlike tiles or wood, fixing a small damaged area often means redoing a larger section. So, is epoxy flooring worth it? For commercial spaces, showrooms, and modern apartments, epoxy floors can be an excellent long-term investment. For family homes, it depends on lifestyle, budget, and expectations. Epoxy flooring is ideal for people who value modern design, durability, and low maintenance. It's especially popular in loft apartments, garages, studios, and retail spaces. Epoxy floors combine functionality and aesthetics in a way few materials can. They're not just a trend, they're a design statement. Would you install an epoxy floor in your home? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more transformations like this.